Tired of struggling to design custom stickers? AI has made it easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning stickers using AI tools. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Etsy, Redbubble, or offer them as a service on Fiverr and other freelance websites. So, let's get started. As we're creating stickers using an AI tool, the first thing we need are prompts. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide a list of unique and creative sticker ideas. It has provided us with 15 different sticker ideas. Copy any one of them you like. I'll go with this one. Now ask ChatGPT to provide 10 stickers based on that idea. You can ask for more prompts tailored to your specific requirements. Copy any of the prompts you like. Next, move to an amazing AI image generator called Ideogram. Paste your prompt in the input box and select the aspect ratio as 1:1. You can also select a different color palette or style from here. Then select the design model and hit Generate. It will take around 30 seconds to generate the stickers. It will provide you with 4 different stickers. Click here and then click Download to save them to your device. Now we need to remove the background of these stickers. For that, go to Google and search for Photopea. Click on the first link. Click on Create New Project, and from the drop-down, select Inches, then set the width and height to 10 inches, with the DPI set to 300. To import your sticker, click on File and select Open. Choose the file you want. To remove the background, click on Select, and from the drop-down, choose Magic Cut. It will instantly remove the background. Click OK. Then click on File, choose Export, select the PNG format, and click Save to download it to your device. Now to arrange all the stickers of the same style, go to Canva. As you can see, they've recently updated the appearance of their website. Alright, click on Create Design from the left sidebar, choose Custom Size, and set the width and height to 5,000 pixels. Then upload all of the stickers here and arrange them by style. Once you're done, click on Download to save the final design to your device. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Lastly, I just want to say that success is not achieved overnight. For some, it might take weeks. For others, it may take months or even years. So don't get discouraged. Stay consistent, and you will eventually achieve success.